Area hello, now welcome for football in Pidgin. After match talk how you see Arsenal 3 and Liverpool 2, and we get Oga Austin when be like saying a very ogbonge football fan, no be Arsenal fan, but no be Liverpool fan. But he want to tell us about how you see this game. Oga Austin, how you see both team performance for this game?
Both teams' performance. Arsenal perform past Liverpool. That's 95%. Their form dey work for them. They try. Good 3 points to Arsenal. That's a plus to them.
So, but I want to ask you about Liverpool. What do you get to talk about this Liverpool start to this season?
Liverpool start. Na form dey affect them now. They no dey form and Man wey dem go let go for no reason because I no see why salary issue go make dem allow player like Mane go. That is join dey affect them. Una say am say Salah no fit dey perform. So all those things join dey affect Liverpool and I believe say form one very important issue wey dey affect Liverpool.
So, but with what you dey see from Arsenal now, so Arsenal because they don't really lose to Man United, they don't win on their rest game, and they don't play teams like Tottenham and Liverpool now. They win. You think say Arsenal are title contenders this season?
Team with this kind of team dey start well. They dey very improved compared to last season. You go see them as title contenders. We dey look dem say dem no go fit, dem don deliver today, dem don beat Liverpool. So for me, dem be title contenders.
But with what you dey see from this season now, we know say teams like Chelsea, Manchester United, even Tottenham too, they never start the season where high flying. Liverpool too, the same thing. Which teams now you dey think say go finish top 4 by the end of the season?
For me, if you wan say team wey never start well this season, Tottenham don start well. Chelsea don start well na I no see their excuse. Na just dem no dey. Na just their individual play from the start well. For me, for top 4, I dey see Man City, Arsenal, Chelsea, then Tottenham. Tottenham go finish top 4. Mo no dey underrate Tottenham. They get good coach and they get good team. So Tottenham join top 4.
So well, make I ask you about one player now. This player I no play for the two clubs where they play today. I want to ask you about Erling Haaland. What do you get to talk about what Haaland they do for this league since he come from Bundesliga from Borussia Dortmund? Because people like say they score every week. What do you get to talk about Erling Haaland?
Haaland, that guy na beast. Present na currently na im mate don dey the Premier League for strikers. You dey see am say na player wey be like say dey perform, dey deliver. So na very fine striker wey be like say everybody go like one get for a team. So as for Haaland, the starting of this Premier League na 90%. The man don try, don score goals. So na kudos to am, dey try.
With the way Haaland they go now how many goal targets you think say Haaland go reach this season?
For Premier League, Haaland fit score 25 goals because he dey score week in week out. You dey see am and he get the team. Yes, he dey score hat-trick. And you see am say he dey play under good teams. He dey play with teams wey be like say dem wan work with am. They ready to say okay, make Haaland dey score, mo leave the rest. So Haaland na good striker, go score 25 goals this season.
But I want to ask you about one debate where they normally people they always drag this matter. We see Trent Alexander-Arnold performance for today's match. We know it's not be one of his best performance today with the series James performance. Currently now, Reece James and Trent Alexander-Arnold who be the better right back to you?
For me, the better right back na James. James dey form currently now pass Arnold. If you see the games today now, so I believe say the second goal come from Arnold side. That na error. So James dey form pass Haaland, pass Arnold. I no go say good pass Arnold, but current form James pass am now. James dey score goal, James dey defend. But Arnold no fit defend. Sabi attack. The only thing wey Arnold take pass James is now say he sabi square ball. That's just it. James pass Arnold this season.
All right now, Oga Austin, thank you for your time. Your face show and your shoe shine.